Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for Twitter developer account, only way. First, enable two-factor authentication on your account and confirm email. Next, draft a concise use case explaining your API needs and scope. Then, collect organization and project details including contact emails and website URLs. Finally, complete the developer application carefully, answer policy questions honestly, and submit for review while monitoring your email for approvals. Begin by visiting the developer portal and signing in with your Twitter credentials, then choose the appropriate product environment for your needs. Write a focused, honest use case describing data access, endpoints, and intended application behavior. Answer every policy and compliance question carefully, avoiding vague responses that could trigger follow-up. Upload any required organization verification details if applicable. Then submit the form and watch your email for next steps and approval status updates. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more guides. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes cleaning effortless with voice control and smart mapping, so you spend less time tidying and more time building projects. It's a handy addition to any workspace for busy creators who value clean floors without the fuss. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on privacy, data retention, and security when drafting your application to improve approval chances. Clearly state where and how you will store data, who will access it, and the measures you will use to protect user privacy. If your first submission is denied, read the feedback, update weak sections, and resubmit promptly with clarified intentions. Keeping a saved copy of your answers helps streamline future edits and appeals during the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.